Mi nombre es Melissa Foss y soy constructora de instrumentos, música, compositora y docente. Y estamos aquí en Creative Alliance in Baltimore, Maryland. So I learned to make historical recreations of pre-Columbian musical instruments while I was living in Argentina. I moved to Buenos Aires in 2009, and I began a master's program at the National University of Argentina in 2012. Well, the project that I became part of in Buenos Aires is very much about creating a dialogue between ancestral and new technologies and bringing these instruments into contemporary art practices. And so I think what that speaks to is this idea of honoring the past by creating a space for it in the present, as long as we are always paying tribute to and acknowledging the cultures that these traditions come from. I pay tribute and honor the cultures that created these instrument-making traditions by keeping them very present in everything that I do. It was always about passing it on and sharing it. So I was really thrilled to be accepted to the residency here at Creative Alliance. And one of the reasons for that was because I knew that they had such a deep, meaningful relationship with the Latino population here in Highlandtown and in Baltimore City. And I knew that they had an ongoing collaboration with their organization Cielo, which actually operates out of Creative Alliance, and with the Artesanas, a group of incredibly talented women who practice their traditional crafts here in Baltimore.
Soy parte de Artesanas, un grupo de mujeres talentosas que somos de diferentes países, que estamos más para enseñar la cultura, porque la cultura de nuestros países, de nuestra niñez, que hemos estado ahí en nuestro país, hemos aprendido cómo traer aquí a fortalecer la cultura de nuestros países, porque se está perdiendo eso, porque no estamos enseñando a nuestros hijos que nosotros inmigramos a este país para un futuro mejor, que no pierdan las raíces, como por ejemplo hacer piñatas, flor de hoja de maíz y papel picado, porque la mayoría de la gente lo compra, pero uno se puede, como los antepasados lo hacían a mano todo.
El taller al que yo fui en 3 ocasiones, el taller de las Ocarinas, se me hizo muy interesante. Primera porque es un instrumento musical que nos une a todo el mundo, ¿no? La música es un idioma universal. Aprendimos a hacer la ocarina, que es un instrumento hecho de arcilla, lo cual, al menos en lo personal, me envía a mi pasado prehispánico.
I see the instruments as channels for connection, as instruments of shared emotions. I notice that when people experience the sounds and see the way that they're played and learn about these sophisticated cultures that designed so many incredible, one-of-a-kind musical instruments that make all kinds of sounds that we don't necessarily even hear today, it creates a feeling of awe, and that's a very powerful emotion that also creates a sense of connectivity.